It's billed as golf's original championship, and in 2026, the Open Championship will be contested for the 154th time, unlike the U.S. Open, which has future locations announced as far out as 2051, or the PGA Championship, which has sites set through 2034. The British Open has a much shorter announced list of future sites. There are just 2 future venues on the docket. In January, the 2027 Open site was announced as the home of golf. St Andrews will take a 31st time hosting. The 154th Open will be at this English golf course for the 11th time, the second most behind the old course. It last hosted in 2017. Jordan Spieth won the Claret Jug that year. Other recent winners there are Padraig Harrington, 2008, Mark O'Meara, 1998, and Ian Baker Finch, 1991-2027. St Andrews just 5 years after its last time hosting. St Andrews will do so for a 31st time. Cameron Smith won the 2022 Open at the Old Course. Other recent winners there are Zach Johnson, 2015, Louis Oosthuizen 2010, and Tiger Woods, 2005. Scottie Scheffler absolutely ran away with things in Northern Ireland this weekend, the top-ranked golfer in the world cruised to a 4-shot win at the British Open at Royal Portrush to claim his first ever Claret Jug and a 4th career major championship. As a result, that sent him back to the United States with a $3.1 million check. The British Open offered a $17 million purse this season at Royal Portrush in Northern Ireland, which matches the record-setting purse offered last year. While that's the highest in the event's history, it's the lowest among the 4 major championships. The U.S. Open, by comparison, offered a $21.5 million purse last month to lead the majors. The Masters had a $21 million purse too, and the PGA Tour's signature events typically carry purses of at least $20 million. The PGA Championship wasn't far behind with its $19 million purse.